How you doing?
Hello.
Dr. Mason, good to see you. I understand you have a cough and you're feeling short of breath?
Yes.
First thing I'm going to do is take a listen to your lungs. Can you unbutton one of your top buttons there? Thank you. So heart sounds fine. Take a deep breath for me. And out. Deep breath. Good. Now I'm going to come around back. Can you untuck your shirt for me, please? Take a deep breath in and out. Deep breath in. Great. Good. Everything sounds fine. I'm going to check your thoracic spine and your neck as well. So I'm going to palpate your back here. If you feel any tenderness, please let me know. Lumbar spine as well. Good. Can you bend forward for me? Good. And back up. Good. Cross your arms, put your hands on your shoulder. Good. I'm going to have you rotate to the right. Good. Back to the middle. Rotate to the left. Good. Back to the middle. Good. Bring your right shoulder down to the table. Good. And back up to the middle. Left shoulder down to the table. Good. Back up to the middle. Good. And then I'm going to do the same things by moving you, okay? Rotate you. Rotate you the other way. Good. I'm going to side bend you. Side bend you. Good. Can you bend your head forward? Good. And then look straight up at the ceiling. Good. Great. And then turn to the right. Turn your head. Turn to the left. Good. Relax. Bring your right ear to the middle. Left ear to your left shoulder. Good. Relax. I'm going to do the same thing. Good. Okay. So now I'm going to have you lie on your back, please. I'm going to feel your diaphragm. Take a deep breath in and out. Come up for the neck. Feeling for any tissue texture changes, any rotations, any asymmetry. Rotate your neck. Good. Look right at your AA. Good. Check your OA. Good. I'm going to check your clavicles. Your first ribs. Second rib. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Take a deep breath in and out. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Feel your pec insertions. Palpate your anterior neck musculature, sternocleidomastoid muscle, anterior, middle, lateral scalenes. And one last thing I'm going to check. I'm going to place my hands over your hips here, do a compression test for your innominates, check your ASIS height. Check your iliac crest, and right above your pubes for the insertion of the rectus abdominis muscle. Okay, you can go ahead and sit up. All right, I'm all finished.